Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. So this is day number 11 in my quarantine hotel in Hong Kong, and I have to say guys that I'm pretty excited because I'm having a lot of calls with some traders from Merrill Lynch, Goldman Sachs. I'm actually building a team of trading guys. It's gonna be like very interesting for you to see. It's gonna be on my Discord. We're gonna have basically different strategies. So there's gonna be, the usual technical analysis that I'm doing, and I have a friend that is asset manager at Goldman Sachs. He's gonna probably manage his own book. So we're gonna see who is winning. It's gonna be so full of information. I can't wait to start this. But today, guys, what you guys want to see is AMC price action. So let's get into it. So as usual, we start now on the 15 minutes time frame, and I'm gonna remind you what I was saying yesterday. We're gonna see everything that happened during this last week's day of trading session. We're gonna see what happened in this last day of the week in the trading session, and we're gonna of course see again the different scenarios that we're having and try to analyze all the information that we get from this market. So let's start here. My last scenario, guys, was that, so we were here, let me zoom in a little bit. We were sitting around the 37, 38 here area, guys. I was bullish. I posted on my Discord that there was 70% chance that the market rebounds here. And look what happened. So I was a bit wrong here on the very short term. But on the medium term, I mean, this is totally fine to have. This is what I was explaining in my yesterday's video. It's totally fine to have here some access to the 35 level that we hit yesterday. By the way, my trade that I posted there as well was buy 37, buy 35, stop loss 34.5. So for now, guys, I'm in the money. I have an average price of 36. And so just to tell you guys that technical analysis, of course, will not be always right, all right? This is not the point. The point of doing technical analysis is to be more right than wrong. And especially your profits must offset your losses, of course, so that you're profitable. So here we are making money, even if the first scenario didn't happen. So, this is the beauty of it. So here, what I wanted to show you guys, yes, so look what happened here at the open. So I told you guys, I posted this as well on my Discord, that here, this trend line is the trend line we want to see broken to know that we move higher. So first, let's see what happened here. Oh, interesting. At the open, bam, we move higher on the 15 minutes time frame, and we got rejected. We closed below, so we don't have the breakout and we don't have the confirmation. So this is definitely not a breakout. It's not even a fake out. All right, a fake out for me occurs when you have all the breakout characteristics. So two candles in the time frame you're watching above your trend line with strong associated volume. This is a breakout. And then if it comes back below the trend line, then it's a fake out. So we can see that here there is no breakout. You can also see that here we have the breakout, guys. This is the main reason I'm bullish here on the daily time frame. We have here a beautiful breakout. We have retested the 37 area. This is why I thought it would hold. We have some excess here, but it's fine. I showed you guys that this happened already a few months ago. Let me show you quickly again. This is exactly what happened here, guys. This is exactly what happened when we had the breakout in May, guys. And I told you guys, I gave you, of course, this trend on my channel back at this time. And we had the same phenomenon. Just a little bit. We had some excesses, maybe, to clean some buyers. This could be, some kind of strategy that, you just sell heavy, so that you know that a lot of buyers are gonna have stop losses here and they're out of the game. So it's a way to avoid a strong move up, maybe. So here, for me, it's not changing that much. I'm still, of course, bullish on the short, medium, and long term. All right, so I'm very bullish here. Yeah, here we didn't have the breakout. Then we moved lower. We went to the 35 level as expected, guys. This was the next support level. I gave you as well this support. The reason behind is that you have here in the previous move up, this is the way you find your support areas. You check the lows, and when you had some consolidation, some reaction. So here we have a low with some consolidation here, and especially here. So you know that 35 is a support level. You know that it's gonna hold the price. If you want to make some scalping, even if I don't advise you guys to do scalping on AMC because there is too much volatility, you can still buy 35 and sell 37. It's a winner easy one, but it's not the point of my videos, guys. I'm not here for you to do some scalping. I'm here for you to find the good entry levels if you want, the nice profit taking levels as well. So here we move lower, then we find support, and just, I want to say, guys, even if here I was wrong, which I definitely was, because I told you that my preferred scenario was we rebound right away. It's interesting to notice that 37 was actually a support level. So I was wrong on the outcome of the scenario, but I was right to point that 37 is a strong support level that now became resistance on the short term. All right, so just keep this in mind. So it became resistance. We put it in orange now. This breakout didn't occur, so let me get rid of it. And here, guys, what do we have? Finally, the breakout. So let's see if it's a real breakout. You guys know how to do it because I showed you many times, but let's do it together. You check what is the volume on the breakout candle. So here, where is the breakout exactly? So the breakout candle on the 15 is this one, right? So it's the one at 2 p.m. US time, I think. So let's check the volume at 2 p.m. and let's see if they were bigger than the one before. Okay, so at 2 p.m. not such a big volume, but the one right after is definitely bigger, twice as much as the one just before and the one just after. All right, so this gives you indication. This tells you that this breakout. So once again, let's see if I did it perfectly, guys. It's important to do it perfectly to really know which candle you are watching. Okay, I'm just trying to connect here and here. Yeah, okay, it's good. So you can see that here we have, it's not perfect, the volume arrived just after, but guys, maybe this trend line would be slightly different if I use 5 minutes time frame or 30 minutes time frame. So for me, it's good. It's a valid breakout that is confirmed. So this is for me a breakout that is confirmed, that is suggesting that at least on the short term, we're gonna start moving higher. So I don't think 37 would hold. I think we're gonna break it. We're going to go to the next resistance level, and so on and so forth, probably doing a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is my preferred scenario, guys, for today. I hope this time it's going to be 100% right, not only correct on the support and resistance level, I also want to be correct on the outcome, guys. So let's find out. So let's see what happens here. Here we have a question, but at least we move to the 50 area. By next week, maybe Wednesday, Friday, this is maybe not perfectly accurate. Maybe we're going to consolidate a bit more, maybe we're going to have something like this. I don't know. Okay, so here, guys, we need to analyze, of course, what is happening here. It's going to be very interesting. But once again, I'm going to give you a lot of clues of what this market wants to do, of what I think it would do. Once again, this is only my view, guys. I will not be always right, as you saw this already, but I'm really doing my best to guide you through what I'm seeing. And I think that the method I'm providing is, as long as you kind of follow the basic rules, which is by using stop losses, it's almost never you're losing money, and sometimes you can make very nice trades. So this is the purpose of what I'm trying to do. Are we good here? What else? And one more thing I wanted to discuss with you guys. I heard about the death cross. Okay, some of you guys posted that on my comments, so I tried to look for it. So the death cross is when you have the 200 period moving average that is crossing the 50, or the 20 crossing the 50, something like this. So I tried to look for it. First I go on the daily. Okay, here I don't have any cross between the 20 and the 50, so then I go on the 4 hours. So you can see the moving averages, they are here, guys. All right, so in blue and purple you can see that the blue one, which is faster, the 20, is not crossing the 50. So I'm going on the 4 hours, and here I see it. Okay, I see it crystal clear. We have the 50 crossing the 200. So this is a golden cross. In this direction, it's a death cross. Oh, interesting. Let's see when is the last time we had it. Look at that. How funny. It happened exactly at the same time when we had the same breakout with the same tricks given by the market, with the same over-selling pressure that is here, that led us to the 78.6% retracement level of Fibonacci. How funny, because this is exactly what we're having here again. Okay, the death cross, the breakout that is retested. Okay, we didn't go as low, but we broke the 61.8% at 37. So guys, maybe we're gonna keep grinding a bit lower. That's possible as well before bouncing back, but I expect here the market to strongly bounce back. Let's see how this breakout occurred. Just quickly. Breaking, retested, and we go higher. Okay, so this is probably what's gonna happen, guys. So we might retest it again. We might retest the 35 area again. I don't think we would go lower, and then bam, we move higher. That's my view. So let's find out. Let's see what happens here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I managed to explain once again what I'm trying to do, what is technical analysis, how I use my tools, try to explain, everything that I know. This is why I have this channel. I want to transmit, I want to pass the knowledge, guys. So I hope I managed to do it here. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to click on the sub, like, and bell button, guys. So you're going to be the first to know when I upload anything new. So stay close to shore. See you guys.